Hello Chennai Makkale. Today we are going to know about what is line sales and what needs to be done from GST point of view in line sales. Ever seen a van selling FMCG items from street to street? That, my friend, is called line sales. In GST language, line sales is equal to goods sold directly from moving vehicle to customers. No fancy showrooms and no AC, just wheels, goods and sales happening on the road. Now here is the big question. Do I need an e-way bill if I sell goods in a moving vehicle? Short answer, yes. But let me explain in a simple way. What is an e-way bill? Think of an e-way bill as a moving ticket for your goods. What is its purpose? To know where goods have come from, where they are going, and whether GST is paid properly or not. How to generate an e-way bill? Log into e-way bill portal, select transaction type as supply and subtype as line sales and document type as delivery challan. When e-way bill is not required in Tamil Nadu. If consignment value is less than 1 lakh rupees, then e-way bill is not required. If goods are getting transported by non-motorized conveyance and exempted goods are supplied like milk and vegetable, then e-way bill is not required. An important rule for line sales. When goods are loaded in the vehicle, you need to generate one e-way bill for the full stock. You don't need a new e-way bill for every sale happened on the road. Smart GST logic. E-way bill is equals to movement of goods. Sales happened during the journey, normal tax invoice. Unsold goods, no problem. Bring them back with the same e-way bill. E-way bill is not for every sale. E-way bill is for the movement of goods and not movement of the customers. Because GST officers love documents more than selfies. Follow us for more simple GST knowledge without headache. Thank you.